Have you ever considered the potential of earning a side income? Imagine the financial freedom and security it could bring, acting as a safety net in these unpredictable times. We live in an era where having a diversified income is not just a luxury, but a necessity. It's about having that extra money to invest in your dreams, to secure your future, to create that life you've always envisioned. Now, let's introduce the Super Affiliate System Pro. This isn't just any side gig, but a comprehensive training program designed to take you from absolute novice to a proficient affiliate marketer. Picture this, generating over $5,000 in less than 6 weeks. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you it's not just a dream, but an achievable goal? With the Super Affiliate System Pro, you're not just dreaming of a side income, you're making it a reality. The Super Affiliate System Pro isn't just any training program. It's an award-winning, comprehensive package that's designed to take you from zero to hero in the world of affiliate marketing. It's more than just a series of videos and checklists. It's a complete system, thoughtfully crafted to provide you with everything you need to succeed. At the heart of the Super Affiliate System Pro is the video training, a stellar program that has won an education award from the Global Forum for Education and Learning. This isn't your run-of-the-mill online course. It's a carefully curated program designed with the singular goal of making you a successful affiliate marketer. But the Super Affiliate System Pro offers so much more than just award-winning training. It's a comprehensive package that includes everything you need to hit the ground running. You get copy and paste ready ads promoting the best products and pre-configured pages that you can use within minutes. There's no need to worry about technicalities, as we provide a user-friendly website editor with hosting and a domain at no additional cost. Crucially, the Super Affiliate System Pro offers ongoing support to ensure your success. Weekly coaching calls keep you on track, while 24/7 support means there's always someone available to help when you need it. We understand that committing to a new venture can feel daunting, which is why we offer a no-risk 30-day guarantee. And that's not all. We also furnish you with traffic credits to kickstart your journey, a call with a growth coach to advise on scaling your business, a 21-day roadmap to guide you, and high-ticket commission training. We even prepay for a call with an expert to help you navigate the complexities of taxes and forming an LLC. The Super Affiliate System Pro is more than just a training program. It's a complete toolkit designed to empower you with everything you need to carve out your own success in the lucrative world of affiliate marketing. With the Super Affiliate System Pro, you're not just learning, you're transforming into a successful affiliate marketer. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to our successful students. Let's start with Emma, a single mother who was struggling to make ends meet. She was looking for a side income to support her family and found the Super Affiliate System Pro. She was a complete beginner, but the comprehensive video training guided her every step of the way. In less than 6 weeks, she was able to start generating over $5,000 weekly. Today, she is financially independent and her life has taken a complete turn for the better. Then there's James, a college dropout who was stuck in a dead-end job. He was looking for a way out and stumbled upon our program. With our pre-configured Pages software, he was able to set up his affiliate marketing business in minutes. He also benefited immensely from our weekly coaching calls and round-the-clock support. Today, he's generating a steady income and is planning to go back to school to finish his degree. And let's not forget about Sarah, a retiree who was looking for something productive to do with her time. She had zero knowledge about affiliate marketing, but our copy and paste system made it easy for her to promote the best products. With our high-ticket commission training, she was able to scale her business quickly. Today, she's earning more than she did in her full-time job, and she's enjoying every bit of her retirement. Each of these students had their unique challenges, but one thing remained constant: the Super Affiliate System Pro. It was their ladder to success, their ticket to financial freedom. They were able to overcome their challenges, learn a new skill, and build a successful affiliate marketing business. The Super Affiliate System Pro is more than just a training program. It's a life changer. It's a stepping stone to success. It's a tool that empowers you to take control of your financial future. So whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced marketer looking to scale your business, the Super Affiliate System Pro can help you achieve your financial goals. These success stories could be yours with the Super Affiliate System Pro. The Super Affiliate System Pro isn't just a program, it's your path to success. This isn't just a claim, it's a proven fact. Hundreds of aspirants have walked this path before you, and now they're reaping the rewards of their hard work and dedication. This system isn't just about teaching you the ropes, it's about transforming you into a confident, capable affiliate marketer. Imagine a system that not only teaches you the art of affiliate marketing, but also equips you with the best products to promote. Imagine having the best ads at your disposal, ready to be used with a simple copy and paste. Imagine having pre-configured pages that can be utilized in minutes. That's the power of the Super Affiliate System Pro. Our promise is simple: to take you from zero to earning over $5,000, all in less than 6 weeks. It's time to take the first step towards your financial success with the Super Affiliate System Pro. Are you ready to embark on your journey to financial freedom? The Super Affiliate System Pro is not just a program, but a path to success, beckoning to those who have the guts to seize it. It's a comprehensive, award-winning training program that has consistently turned beginners into successful affiliate marketers. With Super Affiliate System Pro, you get more than just education. You get a robust toolkit, including a software with pre-configured pages, a website editor with hosting and domain at no extra charge. We even provide you with the best products to promote and the best ads to use. But we don't stop there. We support you every step of the way with weekly coaching calls, round-the-clock support, and a no-risk 30-day guarantee. We've made it as easy as possible for you to start generating income. Don't wait for success to come to you. Seize it now with the Super Affiliate System Pro. Sign up today and transform your financial future.